So, hello guys. So, ngayon ituturo ko kung paano ko ginawa tong salary calculator. So, una muna is print ko syempre yung title, salary calculator. And then, nag-declare ako ng employee name variable para makuha ko yung employee name. Then, nag-declare naman ako ng basic salary. And then, float. Then, input para makuha ko yung basic salary into float. And then, ganun din sa number of overtime hours. Gumamit din ako ng float tsaka input para makuha ko siya as float. Then next, para sa calculation, so bago ako mag-calculate, nag-declare muna ako ng overtime hour rate. Then, sinet ko yung value niya as 150. Then, sa tax rate naman, which is 12%, so para makuha yung tax rate into decimal, ang gawin nyo lang is yung 12%, which is 12, multiply nyo lang sa 100. Para makuha nyo yung 0.12, which is yung tax rate. Then next, ang una kong kinompute is yung overtime pay. So para makuha yung overtime pay, una muna is, ang ginawa ko is multiply ko siya sa overtime hour rate multiplied sa number of overtime hours para makuha ko yung overtime pay. Tapos sunod naman is kinompute ko yung gross salary. So para makuha yung gross salary, ang gagawin nyo lang is ipag-add nyo yung basic salary at saka overtime pay para makuha si gross salary. Then next, kunin muna natin yung tax netong gross salary. So ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply natin si gross salary kay tax rate, which is itong 0.12. Then afterwards, pwede na natin makuha yung net salary, which is equal lang naman siya sa gross salary minus tax. And then next, i-display na natin yung payslip ni employee, which is display natin sa employee name. So gumamit lang ako dito lahat ng f-string. Ayan. Then, tinawag ko yung kanya-kanya nilang variable. So, for employee name variable, basic salary variable. And then, kung mapapansin nyo dito, may colon dot to f. So, finormat ko sila as 2 decimals. Lahat. So, ganun din sa overtime rate, overtime hours, overtime pay, gross salary, yung tax na 12%, then, yung net salary. So, i-testing natin kung gumagana ng maayos. So, sabihin natin yung employee name ay si Juan de la Cruz. Enter. And then, yung basic salary niya is 3,500. And then, nag-overtime siya, sabihin natin for 3 hours. Then, yan. So, makikita natin dito yung payslip ni Juan de la Cruz, which is yung basic salary niya. Makikita natin 3,500. Yung overtime rate. Ilang oras siya nag-overtime. Yung overtime pay niya, which is 450. Yung gross salary niya, which is 39550. And then, yung tax, yung binawas sa gross salary niya. Tapos, yung net salary, yung pinakasahod niya, 3,476. So, ayan. Gumagana na ng maayos yung ating salary calculator. So, yun lang guys. Until next time.